In WhatsApp, if we want, we can generate AI images and send them to others right from WhatsApp itself. In this video, we'll be showing you how to send AI-generated images to others in WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact you want to send AI-generated image to. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, here you can see a pin-like button. Click on this button. When you click it, you can see AI images. Click on AI images. When you do that, you'll be asked to describe an image. You can type what image you want. For example, I'm typing something like this. After that, click on the send button. Now AI will generate a photo for you. Meta AI is generating a photo for us. Within a few seconds, the image is ready, and from here you can select whichever photo you want. And if you don't like this photo, what you can do is, here you can see a refresh button. Click on this button. Now it'll generate another set of photos. From these you can select whichever photo you like. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, here, if you want to make any changes, click on Make Changes, and here you can see the Edit option. Click on it, and you can tell what changes you want. After that, click on the Send button. When you click it, the changes will be made. And if you want to animate this photo, you can click on this Animate option. When you do that, the photo will be animated. That means it'll be converted to a GIF. After that, if you want to send this photo, just click on the Send button. When you click it, the photo will be sent. So this way, you can easily send AI-generated photos to others in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.